this video, you will be learning how to create and send emails in Gmail, as well as other useful tips. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. All profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. Creating and adding contacts. Now that you've created a Gmail account, you can start sending email messages. In this lesson, we'll show you how to compose an email and add contacts. Sending emails. When you write an email, you'll be using the Compose window. This is where you'll add the email address of the recipient or recipients, the subject, and the body of the email, which is the message itself. You'll also be able to add various types of text formatting, as well as one or more attachments. If you want, you can even add a signature that will be added to the end of every email you send. The Compose window. Body. The body is the main text of the email. Generally, you'll write this just like a normal letter, with a greeting, one or more paragraphs, and a closing with your name. How to send an email. First, in the left menu pane, click the Compose button. Then the Compose window will appear in the lower right corner of the page. Then you'll need to add one or more recipients to the To field. You can do this by typing one or more email addresses separated by commas, or you can click To select recipients from your contacts and then click Select. Then type a subject for the message, and then in the body field type your message. When you're done, click Send. If the person you are emailing is already one of your contacts, you can start typing that person's first name, last name, or email address, and Gmail will display the contact below the To field. You can then press the Enter key to add the person to the To field. If the person is not in your contacts list, you can still add the person by following the instructions. Adding attachments. Writing an email can be as simple as typing a message, or you can use text formatting, attachments, and a signature to customize your message. In this lesson, we'll show you how to add an attachment and create a signature that will appear on all of the messages you send. An attachment is simply a file, like an image or document, that is sent along with your email. For example, if you're applying for a job, you might send your resume as an attachment, with the body of the email being the cover letter. It's a good idea to include a message in the body of your email explaining what the attachment is, especially if the recipient isn't expecting an attachment. Remember to attach your file before you click Send. Forgetting to attach a file is a surprisingly common mistake. How to add attachments. While composing an email, click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Then a File Upload dialog box will appear. Choose the file you want to attach, then click Open. Then the attachment will begin to upload. Most attachments will upload within a few seconds, but larger ones can take longer. Then you're ready to send your email. Click Send. You can click Send before the attachment finishes uploading. It will continue to upload, and Gmail will automatically send the email once it's done. Email formatting. Gmail allows you to add various types of formatting to your text. Click the Formatting button at the bottom of the Compose window to see different formatting options. For more serious emails like job applications, be careful not to add formatting that would seem too informal, such as bright colours or emoticons. Adding a signature. A signature is an optional block of text that appears after every email you send. By default, Gmail does not include a signature, but it's easy to create one. It will typically include your name and some contact information, like your phone number or email address. If you're using Gmail at work, you may want to include your title and your company's address or website. First, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Then select Settings. Then scroll down until you see the Signature section. Then type your desired signature in the box. You can also change the font, add other formatting, or insert an image if you want. Then scroll to the bottom of the page, then click Save Changes. You should keep your signature brief. Instead of listing all of the phone numbers, email addresses, and mailing addresses where you can be reached, just list the most important ones. Keep in mind that your signature will be seen by many different people, so you may not want to include your home address or anything too personal. Even if you only email people you know, someone can still forward your email to someone else, which can reveal your signature to even more people. Now that you've learned about how to create and send emails in Gmail as well as other useful tips, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Questions for you. What do you want to learn? What tips will be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us.